Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials quickly. Install Python 3, X, and make sure Python runs from your terminal. Once done, install PyInstaller with pip install PInstaller so you have the bundler tool. Next, move your main Py and any local modules into a tidy project folder. This prevents missing imports. You do this now because PyInstaller reads the script and workspace to collect dependencies. Preparing the folder reduces guesswork and broken builds later. You run PyInstaller to create the executable. Open a terminal in the project folder and execute PInstaller one file windowed main. Py if you need no console, or drop windowed to keep the console. If your app needs external files, add them with add data path / to /filed target folder so they're packaged. After the command finishes, inspect the dist / folder for the exe and the build / folder for logs. These tell you what PyInstaller collected and where to troubleshoot missing pieces. You finish by testing the exe on a clean system to ensure all dependencies are present. This reveals environment-specific issues. If the program fails due to hidden imports, rerun PyInstaller with hidden import module name or modify the generated spec file to force inclusion. When the file is large, use UPX or explicitly exclude heavy unused modules to shrink size. One key troubleshooting tip: read the PyInstaller build log in the build /.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.